in Las Vegas, Nevada to join the clan.
I am just warming up to go to a special show with World Record Weber. Can you guess which show we may be wanting to see? Stay tuned to find out! Let the show begin! This is World Record Weber, and I just came back from Circus 1903, and I want to give you a report because this is a 5-star show full of worldwide entertainers doing variety acts and aerial acts, stunts, unicycling, contortionists, balance, big time balance, and elephants too. And it's fabulous for the whole family. Bring in the whole crew, laugh and enjoy. You won't want to miss it. Great laughs and leadership by ringleader William Wilterberry Waters, who has one heck of a name with an alliteration. Check it out. World Record Weber is so excited to see the 1903 circus here in Las Vegas, Nevada, because many moons ago, the first strong woman performed in a circus show named Lillian Litzel, and World Record Weber was inspired to hear about her. She was the first strong woman to set overall world records with 249 dynamic body swings on the rings. She could also do 6 one-arm chin-ups, 27 dynamic one-arm chin-ups. Lillian is now dead, back in the mid-1900s, but her inspiration lives on. And although she may not be performing, she inspired many of the modern strongwomen, just like Alicia Weber, who began setting official world records in strength and endurance in 2008. But Weber began doing her first strength feat shows as a teenager, performing live acts.